Details of Laniet Bain's work as a prostitute and further claims she'd had an incestuous affair with her father dominated the day at the David Bain retrial. The defence's point is that Robin Bain's fear of being exposed was the motive for him to murder his family. Jeff Hampton reports.
Yes.
The seedy side of Laniet Bain's life became very public as the court heard evidence from a woman who'd worked with her as a prostitute. The woman, who can't be identified, says the pair entertained clients at Tyree Mouth, which took them past the school where Robin Bain taught.
She just burst into tears and she was absolutely petrified.
And what did she say she was petrified of?
Her father.
And why was she petrified of her father?
She told me she'd been abused by her dad.
The pair provided services which included threesomes and bisexual acts, and the woman said she saw stretch marks on Laniet's stomach.
Her breasts.
Yes. Tell us about that, please.
She'd obviously, well, for my consumption, she had a baby.
Cross-examined, she said Laniet told her the baby was the product of incest with her father. The prosecution then attacked her on the grounds she'd changed her story.
I just want to know which story is correct. The 1998 version or the 2009 version?
Well, we'll go for the 1998 version because I'm not going to lie on it.
A former shop owner whose name is suppressed spoke of a conversation with Laniet, a regular customer.
Lani expressed a lot of things about what was going on at home, the relationship with her mother and that she was having an affair with her father. I was completely gobsmacked. I didn't know how to respond.
Robin Bain's first cousin, Michael Mason, spoke of a meeting the police held for relatives shortly after the murders.
At the end of the briefing, the police officer who was conducting it said that David is the enemy and we're going to get him. And I was shocked.
Mason couldn't remember who the officer was, but remains adamant the comment was made. Jeff Hampton, 3 News.